Okay everyone, where do we start? Feels like we've been away forever. I told you all I'd be right on top of things, and I am, and I've got it figured out. The new changes in the Google algorithms, and what that is called is the Google Authority, and I'm about to show you what that is. Let's start with the keyword tool. Let's type in how to make a video for a website, which is what this video is actually going to be about. And it's something that I'm working on because this is something that I want you all to be doing, and I want you to be doing it an easy way. Okay, now let's search this. See right here, this is a Google Plus badge. It is a very small part of Google Authority. Of course, that's with myself signed in, and if I hide personal results it disappears, but I wanted to show you what it looked like. This is something that I just started blogging on yesterday, and a tip for you is instead of 3 to 5% keyword density, it is now 1 to 2%. If your keyword density is more than 2% now, bad thing. So let's go to my website. Okay, let's scroll down here, and right here, somebody just give me a G+. One of these are a plugin that I bought, but the other one is part of the Google badge, and it's a part of the Google Authority too. Let's scroll down to the bottom. Here's another part right here. Oops, wrong website. Let's go to another website I've been working on. And this is for the Sizzle team. There are 40 plus people in my downline, and they are asking for help. So I am setting up a system for them. And as you can see right here, this is the kind of website I've been talking about, the design, for quite some time. You've got your big video at the top, and if you scroll down, you've got products here, you've got weight loss in the middle, and you've got the home business opportunity over here, so people have a choice what they're interested in. And I still need to do some work on this site, and it's going to be approved by the company, and anyone that happens to be in my Sizzle team gets one of these for free. Now, as far as the Google Authority, again, right here, this is a part of it, and if you hear that noise in the background, that's actually people coming onto my website. That's the feed widget. Anyway, if someone comes to your website and it's set up right, they can click on your Google Plus Authority badge, and they go right straight to your Google profile. And there's a place to get these images. There's a lot that we need to get caught up on. And all of the videos from YouTube come right into your Google website here, your Google Plus account. And this is going to take us a long way. Where I'm getting this information from is right here, page 1 traffic system, and the guy's name that put this together is Larry Williams, in cooperation with Derek Van Dyke and one other Google expert. And this is a very advanced course, only it doesn't take months and months to get through like the other one. So for now, I want to show you how simple it is to make videos. John Adams' system finally is being released this week, and I believe that we're going to pick up some of the copies of it. Let's go back to my desktop. Okay, I am uploading to the training site 100 more images. They will be in PowerPoint format, and anyone that doesn't have PowerPoint can get it from openoffice.org. And the reason for PowerPoint is we can edit them. Also, something else that I picked up for y'all right here. We have 100 professional music tracks that we can use on our videos. So what I want to do now is let's go and design a video. Available for you in downloads are going to be the PowerPoint images that I showed you. MP3s are going to be there, and background images. These background images are what I use to make this little funny looking fellow here and this desktop background. Now these background images are every color of the rainbow, including the rainbow. And remember, when you use an image, you want it to be standing out and bright so that you will be able to see it when or if you do any keyword research. And there's some pretty professional looking images here. So we're going to make a video right now, and let's pick something out that's going to stand out. And let's pick this. Let's just copy this just for demonstration purposes. Now let's open up a blank PowerPoint and let's paste it, except I use Control V. Here we are. I'm not sure, but I may do an actual live post tomorrow, and if I do, maybe I'll put it on my personal website. So let's insert word art text, and let's call this how to create. Let's change this color here a little bit darker. A WordPress website. And let's bring this up. You see the little green arrow right here? If it goes up above that image, it's going to throw your image off. So if you do this, make sure that the arrow from this, keep this down somewhat. Okay, I'm going to go and find an image and paste it here. Okay, and I want a nice looking e-cover, so I'll right click and copy this. And I'll show you something that's really cool here that I never knew before. Let's get rid of this. I just found out this year actually. Let's open up Paint. And you've seen that I just copied that, so if we try to paste that here, it doesn't work. It doesn't, so I'll Control V, no go. But watch this. Take it back to the PowerPoint, paste it, Control V. Now if I copy it, I can go back to Paint. Now I can paste it. So for some reason, we need to paste it from where it was into PowerPoint before we can paste it into Paint, which I thought was kind of strange, but anyway. Now select all, copy, and paste it here again. And the reason I did that is because I can resize it easier this way. Now let's make this look nice. Not there for sure. That'll do, I guess. So let's highlight this. And all of these covers, the backdrops, I made the same size, which I believe is 500 by 350 or something to that effect. But anyway, let's copy this and get a new here and paste it. And let's save this as JPEG. We're going to save this as opening slide. And there we are. Let's open up a new one. Go back to PowerPoint. Get rid of the box now. Let's duplicate this. Control C, Control V. And let's just put in here step 1. I'm just creating a short video here. It's the purpose of doing this. Turn this one blue and make it a little bit bigger. Move it over here. Step 1 is, of course, it's going to be register a domain name. Now we'll turn this in red, maybe make it a little bit smaller. Okay, let's just pick this up again. Copy. Back here and paste. Save this as JPEG number 1. And come back here, and I'm just going to put in step 2. Get website hosting. And of course, what am I going to do? Pick this up, copy it. Oops, not cut. Paste it. Save as number 2. New. I'm going to go back here. I'm going to make up a couple of more slides, and I'll be back. Okay, I've made up 11 slides, so let's copy this one and go back to PowerPoint. Duplicate this one for now. Get rid of all of this stuff. Paste that here. Now pick up this text down here. Anyone wanting to create a website wants to make money, at least they should. Now let's just copy this one, and this is going to be our closing slide right here. And the size is actually 800 by 500, and that's too close to the bottom. So you see what happened here? A little bit of a white at the bottom. So let's just resize this like this. There's a Control X and select all, delete, bring this down a little bit smaller. Now let's resize it to 800 by 500. Okay, now let's save this as JPEG closing slide. Alright, now let's get rid of all of this. No, don't save. I'm finished. Now what we do is just take the opening slide, put it here, closing slide, put it right beside it. And this is images for how to create a WordPress website, an empty folder. So let's pick all of these up and put them inside of that folder. And you'll understand why in a minute. Now we need to pick out a song. So let's go to MP3s, and they'll be inside of here. And you should read this too. Anything that you get from the school, make sure that you read what we can and what we can't do. And you can see there are lots and lots of songs. So I'm going to pick one out here. And this one works. You'll hear it in a minute. Now I want to show you how easy it is to actually make a video here with this new system. And it's right here. Just open it up. Now you can do all kinds of fancy things with this, but I'm going to keep it very simple. Where you see these little lines, these are the ones that you need to worry about. So for opening slide, we choose opening slide. For closing slide, we choose closing slide. For source image folder, that would be right here. This would be images for how to create a WordPress website. And audio file, that is the sound. Raving Lunatic synth. And one more. This, we need to choose a name, which should be the same name as we're going to call the post that I'm going to be doing. How to create a WordPress website. And I should be able to just paste that there. Now let's go to advanced settings. All we need to do here is make sure that they are all in order, and they are not. So 11 goes here, 10 here, 1, 2, 3, 5, all in order now. And create video. And this takes a minute, so I will pause this. Here's the video right here, and it's actually a few hours later. I got some sleep, and I'll see you later on in the morning. I'm going to take you in and show you what the video is like that we just created. And before we go, I want to take you inside of the Atom course and show you where the downloads are. Okay, here we are inside of the Atom course on the start page. We get to your downloads, stage 2. And scroll down here, right here on the downloads. Scroll down again, and I added the background textures and the other images, and your royalty free music is right here. And I'll see you in a few hours.